Sis Wing. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. And kung ano man ang nararamdaman mo ngayon ay manalig ka lang sa taas at pagagalingin ka niya. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, friend. I wish you all the best. Take care always. God bless. Love you.
Gusto ka na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you to have eternity birthday and infinity good health. Good luck. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
More birthdays to come. Enjoy lang po sa pag-vlog. Alam ko napakagaling mo. Sana magkaroon ka pa ma'am ng maraming kaarawan at alam kong napaka-sexy naman, tunay naman, at saka enjoy lang po ang buhay. Nandito lang kami mga supporters mo, Charles. Diba? Happy birthday po. And love you, mom, and stay healthy and stay pretty.
Happy birthday, Sissy. May all your wishes come true. Love you. Enjoy your day.
Hi, be. Happy birthday, be. God bless you always. Wish ko na lagi kang malusog, malakas at masaya at pagkalubang ka ng Panginoon na mahabang buhay at marami pang birthday. God bless you, be. I love you.
Hi, Rowena.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best and in good health, and God bless you, and more birthdays to come, and hope to see you. Long time. I want to have a banding again to do karaoke. So happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your birthday, and that's all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nina.
God bless.
And
Good health.
More blessings
Blessings to come. And
We love you.
Happy birthday.